It's kind of what I hoped for, you know, but it's surprising that you've got it there.
Actor Brian Cox came to me with a mystery. Brian's maternal grandfather, a man named James McCann, died before Brian was born after a very troubled life. Growing up, Brian's mother had told him that James had served in the military. But Brian's many efforts to investigate the story had come to nothing. Even a photo of James that Brian recalled from his childhood had disappeared.
They had this giant photograph of this guy with red hair, and my mother told me he was a drill sergeant in the army, and that was my grandfather. And I don't know whatever happened to that photograph. You know, it's gone in the midst of time. But it's just been that nagging thing in my life.
Oh, and it's so frustrating, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you say, I know I saw it.
Yeah, and yet when we were investigating, we couldn't find any records of his at all.
Our researchers were able to find the records that had eluded Brian. They reveal that in 1908, his grandfather enlisted in the Black Watch, also known as the Royal Highlanders. This would prove to be a fateful decision. 7 years later, at the height of World War I, the Highlanders ended up on the front lines in France, where they endured some of the worst combat in history. Indeed, the war diaries of James's battalion record daily ordeals that are almost unimaginable.
December 11th, battalion went into the trenches. The trenches were full of water, 2 feet deep in places. February the 20th, between 9 and 10 p.m., heavy artillery firing was heard to the south. March 18th, we were heavily shelled at 11 a.m. and again from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Gas from the shells was distinctly noticed. Yeah, wow.
What's it like to read those words, to think of your grandfather experiencing that horror?
I think that explains a lot. You know, I mean, apparently he was a drunk, he drank, and I think it all makes sense. It just makes sense. And he didn't live very long. He died at the age of 50, you know, and it doesn't excuse anything, but it fills in a lot about what he was going through and what he went through and how he didn't deal with it, how he couldn't cope with it.
Very few men could cope with what James endured. Five months after he arrived in France, he found himself in a hospital back in England, likely the victim of a gas attack. He would suffer from respiratory problems for the rest of his short life. But records show that this wasn't the end of his military career.
James McCann, rank sergeant, discharged 30/10/1918.
James was honorably discharged just 12 days before the end of the war. We believe that after his hospital stay, he remained in Britain and assisted in training new recruits. And if you look to your left, did you know that your grandfather received 4 honors for his service?
No.
The 1914-15 Star, the British War Medal, the Victory Medal, and the Silver War Badge.
We never saw these. It's incredibly moving. It really is.
He's a hero.
Yeah. Wow, that's, I have to say, it's just amazing. I mean, I'm sorry, but this is very, I don't know, it's really something. Really is something. I mean, I wish my ma could be here to see this. I wish my ma could just see all this about her dad. This validates his life, you know, and his life was pretty unvalidated up until this point, and this is a major, major, major thing for him. And I am so, so grateful for this. I can't tell you.
Discovering the stories of our ancestors can be a profoundly transformative experience, changing the way we see ourselves, our families, and our shared history. To see more incredible stories, click below. And thank you for watching.